Okay, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to see what's going on under the covers when you do a ChatGPT query. I just found out about this today from Jay in the Discord. It's a free chat room with a bunch of SEO specialists, digital marketing people. If you want to join, the link is below. It's totally free. There's no cost, but there's a lot of people talking about all kinds of cool stuff. You'll learn interesting stuff like this. If you need help with local SEO, e-commerce, SEO performance, WordPress design, hosting, etc., head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out. So this is what you do. Go to ChatGPT, and let's say you're doing best Mexican restaurants in Boston. Make sure you click on search the web, then let it do its query. If you don't do that search the web option, this will not work. And so let it do its thing. And next thing you want to do is go to right click, inspect. Now, if you like this video, click like, please. Comment really helps. That would be extremely helpful. And then next thing you want to do is get the part of this URL here, get these numbers. This is the first part's fine. Copy. You want to go to network. You want to make sure fetch XHR is selected. So just click and select it. You don't want all, you want to do that. Put that in there. That was copied from here. And then do a refresh. And that's going to actually populate with the JSON file. This one. Now, when this pops up, you may just see this. You may not see anything. So just double click on it. Whoops, don't double click on it. Actually, just make sure you have these options and you don't want the headers. You don't want, although that's good for other things. You want to do a response. And then from here, you can see all the juicy stuff. So again, if you're liking the video, please hit like and then subscribe, all that fun stuff. So best restaurants in Boston. So if you were a Mexican restaurant in Boston, from an SEO point of view, these are the search phrases you probably would want to try to get on these lists. So what I like looking at is do think. Oh, it's not showing up. Let me make sure this is actually working. Hold on one second. Oh, thoughts. That's right. So you can see summary, and these are the thoughts. I see the user is looking for Mexican restaurants, blah, blah, blah. You can go Mexican restaurants. You can scroll over if you wanted to see the rest of it. So it's super interesting. And now you can see the actual search queries. So this is super useful from a local SEO point of view that are being done. And I'm assuming this is going to Bing, right? Mexican restaurants in Boston. And you can see top rated Mexican food Boston. So these are all keywords you'd want to focus in, obviously. Then you can see it first pulled from TripAdvisor. So if you were a Mexican restaurant in Boston, you would want to try to get on this list, obviously, from a backlink point of view. Citrus and salt Boston. So that's probably a Mexican restaurant. You can see a little snippet here. So this is good all keyword information. And this is from bostoneater.com. So this is a list you'd want to get in. So you can really see what's going on under the covers. So the more and more we learn about SEO, we can actually see what's going on under the covers, which I think is really cool. I know you can see a lot of this when you do deep research with ChatGPT. So if you did this, run deep research, you would see a lot of this stuff get output. I don't want to do it now because I only get a certain amount of credits per month and I don't want to use it. So that's basically how you do it. If you need any help, head over to Norzer.me, join the Discord channel, which is linked below for all kinds. We're really doing a lot of AI stuff. And Jay in chat is like a wizard with this stuff. I think I'm pretty good, but he's like levels beyond me. And then subscribe, all that fun stuff. Yeah, hope this helped. Cool. See you.